Today, we're talking about 5 easy ways seniors can improve circulation in the legs and feet. No fancy equipment or gym membership needed. 1. One of the best ways to improve circulation is to simply move your body. You don't need to run a marathon. A daily walk, light stretches, or chair exercises can make a big difference. Even a few minutes every hour helps wake up your muscles and get your blood moving. When watching TV, do a few ankle circles or march your legs in place during commercials. Small moves add up. 2. If you notice swelling or heaviness in your legs, elevating them up can really help. Lie down and prop your legs on a pillow, or rest them on the wall for 15 to 20 minutes a few times a day. This helps your blood flow back toward your heart and reduces that achy feeling after sitting or standing for too long. 3. A gentle foot or leg massage not only feels relaxing, it also improves circulation. You can even use a little lotion or oil to make it soothing. Another great option is compression socks. They gently squeeze your legs to help blood flow upward, especially if you spend a lot of time sitting. Just make sure to ask your doctor what type is best for you. 4. Stay hydrated and eat circulation-friendly foods. Good circulation starts with healthy blood, and that means staying hydrated. Try sipping water throughout the day and include foods that naturally boost blood flow like beets and leafy greens for nitrates, oranges, and berries for vitamin C and antioxidants, and fatty fish like salmon for heart-healthy omega-3s. These foods help open blood vessels and keep them flexible. 5. Finally, circulation problems often stem from conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, or high cholesterol. Checking your numbers regularly, cutting back on salt, and managing stress can go a long way. And remember, even small daily changes can protect your circulation and keep your legs strong and healthy. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy, natural health tips here at The Healthy Temple.